Enjoy unlimited ultra-fresh, healthy, great-tasting drinking water straight from your kitchen tap for cooking and making delicious coffee, tea and ice. Live healthier with ultra-safe water that is 99% contaminant-free. With 2 decades of experience in reverse osmosis system design and production, this premium-grade RO high system ensures the highest contaminant removal rates, giving you the purest water possible. This stringent QC process eliminates even the slightest component imperfections to make sure a system that removes up to 99% of all contaminants, such as chlorine, taste, odor, toxic fluoride, arsenic, lead, and chromium, and is completely free from water leaks, bursts, and noises. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Supreme quality. Built with super long-lasting 100% US-made filters, RO High is the most durable system in the industry that lasts for decades. The system is designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA to guarantee water safety and your health. Number 2. High performance. Tested and certified by WQA to remove up to 99% of contaminants including arsenic, chlorine, lead, fluoride, heavy metals, and 1,000 plus contaminants. Provides unlimited ultra-fresh, clean, great-tasting water right at home. Number 3. Quick dispense. Big 3/8 of an inch fast flow output design increases the flow rate of water from the tank to faucet. The higher water flow will allow you to fill up a glass or pitcher of water much faster. Reduces wait time when drawing and filling large pots of water for making soups or beverages. Number 4. Equipped with premium faucet and parts. Comes with 100% metal, 100% lead-free luxury designer faucet, plus JG food-grade tubing to provide safe, contamination-free pure water. The original, top-notch JG Quick Connect fittings for easy and secure leak seal. Number 5. Lifetime support. Provides you the ultimate satisfaction and peace of mind with our lifetime support and 2-year manufacturer warranty with registration. Your health will never be compromised with an RO High system. Number 6. Double capacity and long-lasting. APEC 1 to 3 stage filters are uniquely designed in achieving the maximum possible chemicals removal to ensure water purity and multiply lifetime of filter and membrane. With super capacity, the filters can last up to 12 months, requesting lower system maintenance and fewer filter change-out. Number 7. Clean, safe and refreshing. APEC's premium quality products result in excellent refreshing taste and water purity that is more distinctive than any other brand. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.